dictionary in Python. It's stored in a format of key and value pairs. It's a variable and value inside a set. Can print individually. We can add number of pairs. Use comma to separate them. The keys are immutable, can't modify or repeat it. Only keys. Only values. Items will print all. To get input from user and store in dictionary is little different from other data types. Here's how. First create empty set. Then get key and value separately. Then add them like this. Both key and values will be in string type. You can change them to what you needed. To create multiple pair, use loop. Here's a code.